what's one thing you wish more people knew about within this industry after working in the industry for over a decade? What's one thing that you wish more people would know?
Well, one, I think, if you're looking at it from the outside, I would, again, talking about kind of the next generation, that it's just a really great industry, so diverse in what you can do, so many opportunities, especially for your career, and just getting to see, people, they obviously have TV shows like How It's Made for a reason. People love seeing that stuff. So why not actually be a part of how things are made, get in there and get a career in this field, and you get to actually live it. I think that's one thing, that it is a really cool, I think people just picture kind of like assembly line and just how boring that must be, but that's not the case. There's some really cool work that can be done. So I think that's one thing, that it is a really exciting industry, and it's not going anywhere. So it's just something good to know there. And I think also, again, kind of as we were talking about what's next and kind of the future, I think also remembering that there are things you can do every day to improve maintenance and reliability at your facility. And it doesn't even have to include, predictive technologies, just improving your processes, making plans to communicate better, educate yourself. I think, every day you can be doing something to move the needle. And it doesn't have to be these grandiose things. Of course, those are nice. But there's something you could do every day in your facility to make it a little bit better. And what a cool thing, right?
Absolutely. I mean, what we always say to everyone that we talk to in this field, it's not always about like trying to go from crawling to sprinting. If we made our facility run just a tiny bit better than it was yesterday, that's a win. And if we keep doing that every single day, man, we're going to have one of the best running facilities on the planet, I believe.
Yeah, exactly.